Unlock a super fast and secure way to pay for your DoorDash cravings using Apple Pay. First things first, make sure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or Apple Watch. If you've already been using it for other purchases, you're good to go. Now, within the DoorDash app, browse for your favorite food and add all your delicious items to your cart, just like you normally would once you're happy with your order. Proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, scroll down until you see the payment method section. Here, you'll find a clear Apple Pay option listed alongside other payment methods. Tap on the Apple Pay option. This will bring up the familiar Apple Pay payment sheet showing your default card and the total amount for your DoorDash order. To complete your purchase, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode €, whichever security method you have set up on your device. Once authenticated, Apple Pay will securely process your order in moments. You'll see a confirmation within the DoorDash app, and your order will be placed. That's all there to it. Enjoy the speed and security of paying with Apple Pay on DoorDash for all your food delivery needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.